Starting with the Go app, I slowed it down to 3 miles an hour to make sure that speed was not influencing the way this performs. I speed up the footage here, you can really see how clunky and goofy looking that footage is. It's very, very nasty. Slow it down to 1 mile an hour. So this is pretty darn slow. It'll actually go slower than this, but I don't think it's going to improve the issue at all. So then we'll speed this up again. And again, you can see where it's just really, really clunky looking, very not smooth. It looks almost like it's going up and down a little bit. There was no wind here, by the way. This was straight up. And now, Airnest. When you load it up, it comes up with a config screen that defaults to the camera. It should default to the drone first. That's where you're going to set your return to home altitude, and it's going to return to home when it's done. So you really want to make sure that's correct. Then you move the map to where you want to fly, and then you use your finger and draw a path on the screen of where you want the drone to fly. In this case, around this little observatory. And then you set where you want the camera to aim, the point of interest. A little hat pin appears there. Then you can set the speed and altitude settings for this thing, and it'll ramp altitude. It's kind of nice. And then it'll upload the final up to the drone. Make sure the drone is in the air when you do this, and it'll fly to the starting point, and away you go. Now, I had previously saved this mission because I set it up at home, sitting on my couch. So it'll let you update that point of interest hat pin location as well once you've loaded the pre-save mission. And then again, it'll give you the flight parameters. Now, I tried to slow it down. The previous test that I'd done was 11 miles an hour. So I set this down as low as it would go, which is 4 miles an hour, sadly. Here is the flight. This is the 4 miles an hour. I'm going to speed it up here in just a sec. It's a little bit smoother, I think. I think Go was really, really clunky around here, and this is actually quite a bit smoother. So I would have to give the nod to Airnest here, even though it's far from perfect. Anyways, there you have it. Thanks for watching.